Okay, next, what is this background and foreground process? We know the process. Process means it is something running, like you open a command or you maybe a network is connecting. A ping is a process, right? It is running. SSH is connecting, like a put is connecting. Okay, paintbrush is open, browser is open. These are all nothing but a process only. But thing is, what is this background? Okay, be background U N D. Mind everything is stop working, na? Because I'm hungry. Everything it's like my position. I understand. It means I can understand your position also. Okay. See, guys, here it is. Very simple to understand. I'm going to student. Here it is clear. Okay. So understand this. I put a cat, double greater or single greater, something like some file name, something. I didn't do anything. Just I leave like this. So what happened? A process is running in my terminal. In my terminal, the process for cat process running on my terminal. So this is called a foreground process. This is called a foreground process. Terminal, on terminal, a process is running, that is called a foreground process. Once process is completed, it will exit automatically. Just for example, you're running a process. When a process is done, yeah, that is the one. Okay. So this is a command I'm giving. So it run the command means process is running. PS space hyphen ef is a process. It is run. Once completed, it return to our terminal. Understand? Once process completed, return to terminal. Foreground process run. Once completed, it return to our terminal. Now it is running. It done. Now I got my terminal. Okay. This is a foreground process. Once the foreground process completed, return to our terminal. I said no, so ls space hyphen l, it's a very big one. So like we can see, it's keep going on. Means foreground process still going on. It is completed now. Then I got a my terminal back automatically. Similarly for less command also, like a less the process running in my terminal, but it is not completed. It's still running. It's not completed. Still running. You want to check it? Here you can check it from here with all this command like what I open less. Okay, it is still running. Okay, now what I want to do is how to come out from it. Q. Q. Very good. You guys are still remember. See, the process is completed. Okay, so same thing. Process running on my terminal means it's a foreground process. Once a process is completed or quit from the process, it return to our terminal. So this is called a foreground process. Guys, understand foreground process? Yes, sir. What is a foreground process? Process run on terminal. Okay. Once process done or exit. Exit means terminated or killed. So killed. Then returns our terminal. Okay. So this is foreground process. Then what is background process? Background process is it's a process runs in system, not shows on terminal. Okay, so what is the background process? Same thing. Okay, for example, I want to run this process. I put a clear. I want to run this process. Okay, but I'm putting ampersand, tmd ampersand. So if I put like this is a become foreground process. This is I put this process in a background, done automatically, but it should not show the output. Okay, it should not show the output, but it is showing. Okay, so like this. Actually, if you give like this, foreground process. So it is a foreground process. Okay, I put a control C. This is background process. This is I'm running a process in a background. It is showing a stopped. Why? Yeah, so I will go to another terminal so to see the output because this is easy. Yeah, this is process is running in a background. Process running in a background. You can put a jobs command to know what process are running are in the background. So this is a two process are running in a background, and also you can look at hyphen j, ps hyphen j. Through that one also you can see what are the process you created and put it in a background. You created and put it in a background. So that is a background process. Background process means runs in the system, not showing on the screen generally. Okay. How to put, how to run a process in background is simply command and ampersand. And how to check one is you can use the ps command hyphen j, or you can use jobs command to check it, or ps hyphen oe like that. You can use a psef like command also, you can use it. OE also you can use it. General any PS command you can use it. Okay. So, but specifically jobs based commands PS hyphen J and jobs command. Guys, understand foreground, background, and how to put a process in the background. How to put a process in the background. So, what I use cat greater ffff ampersand, and I check PS space hyphen J, and also I check with the jobs. Guys, understand up to here because there is only two more commands are there in this one only. If you understand this one, remaining is quite easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here it is. So where is my notepad? So look it here. Guys, I'm creating jobs here. I'm creating jobs. Job scheduling. This is also called as job scheduling. Running a jobs. Okay, foreground job, background job. So many words are job scheduling in a background jobs, background, foreground jobs. Any word, this is a thing. First, I am creating a process and putting in a background. So like this, sleep 1000 ampersand. I'm not one, I'm doing more. So, so I'm creating three process and put it in a background. Okay, done. I created a three process because of ampersand. It is go to background. So if you want, you can see from here. See, here it is. I'm in a student. Sleep 1000. It is running in foreground. It is running in foreground. Okay. It is running in background. It is running in background. That's the difference, guys. Look at sleep 1000 means runs in foreground. Sleep 1000 ampersand means runs in background. BG means background, FG means foreground. So I'm running this process in my background. Okay. So three process I put in a background. How to check these jobs? Jobs is a command. Jobs is a command. This is the job name. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Like this. These are the my job names. Currently running jobs. Okay. Remember what I am doing. So jobs. Jobs is a command to see that what are the jobs are running. I'm only selecting my I wanted output. Okay. Like this. Now the question is, these jobs are running in a background. These jobs are running in a background. I want to bring bring a job from background to foreground. You want to run? You're running a process in a background. Now I want to bring from background to foreground. I'm selecting fourth one. Fourth job I want to bring. Okay, so how to get it? See, FG FG percentage for FG percentage for means I am bringing the process name is 2000, right? See, sleep 2000 process running in my foreground. So what is the command? FG percentage for job fourth job, this one is running in my foreground now. So what to do? Put a control Z to stop process in foreground and put it in background. Okay, to stop the process, simply say to stop the process. It's easy. Control Z, not Control C, guys. Control C, terminate the process. Control Z. Process is what happened? Process is stopped. Again jobs. See, process is stopped and ampersand is gone. Ampersand is gone means process is not running and not in a background. Somewhere it is gone. Okay. Again check jobs. Okay. This is stop. I stop the process in a foreground and it is showing stopped. Once it is stopped, it will exit and I got a terminal. Now I want to run again. Run its fourth stopped stop in background. How to run? BG percentage for. Okay. Now again jobs. See, it is running. BG percentage for. It is showing like this. Okay, guys, understand how to bring, and these jobs also stopped, right? How to start these jobs? These jobs are there, but it is in a background and it is stopped. I want to run this job and I want to clean, remove it, or anything you can say. EFG percentage
Percentage
one.
1.
So I'm bringing first job into foreground first of all. Now running. So I'm try to finish it. So this is FFF file in EFG control D. Job is finished. Okay, the job is finished. Okay, or you want to remove that particular one, so like you can stop that job also, like you can say like FG percentage to second one, control D or control C, you can do this. So bring it to the foreground. I done the work, completed, finish it. So that's it. Okay, so this is the foreground background jobs. Easy to understand. We are using a sleep mode. Sleep is a process, and run for a 2000 seconds, 1000 seconds, 3000 seconds. So guys, you are running a job. The job usually runs on your foreground, and to just you're given a command runs on your foreground, but you given a percentage, it means it runs in your background in generally. When you are running a process in a background, so how to check it? Use a jobs command or a ps-j command also is very useful. And this is like what are the jobs are running, we can usually view from the jobs command. If you want to bring, if you want to bring a job running in your background to the foreground, to the foreground, you want to bring it, you can use fg command, fg percentage job number, fg percentage job number. You want to stop the process in the foreground, you can use a control z. If you use a control c, the process will be terminated, process will be terminated. Okay, next, what are the this? So I stop the job, and when I check with the jobs, the process is there, but it is stopped. I want to run this process in the background directly, so I put a bg command. Bg command use it to run the process in the background. Okay, run the stop the process in the background. So this is it. Okay, guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Very good. That's it for today. If you want to do anything here, these are the jobs are running. Like we can try ourselves. I want to bring the fifth job into foreground. What is the command? Fifth job into foreground. This one, this one. This is running in the background. I want to run. I want to bring this process into foreground. Tell me how to bring background job to foreground.
Sir, FG percentage 5.
Very good. FG percentage 5. Now process is running in my foreground.
Foreground.
I don't want to terminate it. If I want to terminate, control C. I want to just stop the job. Control Z. Job is stopped. Verify. Job is stopped. Now I want to run it again in a background.
BG percentage.
Very good. So now people are getting answers. It is not like that, Why we can't able to tell an answer? It is not like that you don't know answer. Like if you tell some answer, people will tell you that is wrong. Don't worry. In if you are in my class, any class, right or wrong, tell some answer. Right or wrong, first try to tell the answer. Right, like the answer, just tell it. No problem. Like that you have to practice answering. Okay, simple. Okay guys, this is it. Already I told for both batch 10 and 9, Saturday Sunday is there, or maybe at least I will create some videos for you meantime, for getting it, and also I will forward the videos. You can also go through this. So simply go to some YouTube. You have to do like this a little bit of all, because recently years I'm not going with this Linux much. Okay, yeah, we got a finally like this. Okay, go to videos. Last videos means old videos. I have some videos are there, like a process management killing, time zone, sudo users, package management with vim, lvm, disk management. These are very important easy videos. Compression, archiving. Very interestingly I took the classes. These very small videos are very easy to work with it. So what to do? Reverse, like a old videos starting. This is the starting videos. We don't know how to put a video also that time. I don't know, so 1 year back. Okay, so try these things. Only few videos are there. Try once you are free, you can try this one. Okay guys, I hope you understand.